everyone, welcome back to Data Decode. In today's video, I will show you how to use Sum and Sumif in Excel using this simple dataset. Trust me, this is something you will use in your real jobs. Let's start quickly. So, here is the data. I have 4 columns: serial number, category, product and amount. Now, if I want to know what is the total expense of all these category, the simple thing I want to do is sum. So this adds all the values from the range of D2 to D9. This adds all the numbers and gives the total expenses spent on each category, that is food and drinks. So sum is used when there is no condition. Now suppose if I want to know the total expense only either of these category, that is either of food or drinks. In that case, we will use the condition, that is formula sum if. In this condition, here we have range, that is this range is for the category. Next is we have criteria. Which criteria among the two, that is food and drinks? I need food criteria. Now what is next is your sum range. Sum range is nothing but the rows where the amount is to be checked. That is, in sum if Excel finds only those rows where there is category named as food, and it will give the total expenses for the food. So here it is 850. So finally, sum is nothing but total of all data, whereas SUMIF is total based on one condition. That's it for today. Now you can easily calculate totals and category-wise reports in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.